Hey there, fellow web creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for building awesome websites. Today, we're tackling something that's a lifesaver for anyone using Weebly in 2025. How to undo your actions. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro who's made a tiny slip-up, knowing how to undo can save you tons of time and frustration. So, let's dive right in. First off, why is undoing important? In Weebly's updated 2025 interface, it's all about making edits seamless and reversible, so you can experiment without fear. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Weebly account and have your site open in the editor. This is the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Step 1. Look for the Undo button. In the 2025 version, it's typically located in the top toolbar, right next to the Redo option. It looks like a curved arrow pointing left, super intuitive. Just click it once, and poof, your last action is reversed. If you've made multiple changes, you can click it repeatedly to go back through your history, up to a certain number of steps depending on your plan. Now, for those of you who love keyboard shortcuts, Weebly makes it even easier. On a PC, hit Ctrl+Z to undo, and on a Mac, it's Command+Z. This is a game changer for speeding up your workflow. But remember, some actions like publishing might not be fully undoable, so always double-check before you go live. One quick tip. If you're dealing with more complex changes, head to the History panel in the editor. This lets you revert to previous versions of your site, which is like having a time machine for your web design. It's a new feature in 2025 that's worth exploring for bigger fixes. In summary, mastering the undo function in Weebly will make your editing sessions way more efficient and less stressful. Give it a try on your next project, and if you run into any issues, check the Weebly Help Center or drop a comment below. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Weebly tutorials. See you in the next video.